Hello! Hello from the Medina in Fes. This sprawling ancient market that was built over 1,000 years ago and I think spreads over 3 or 4 kilometers in the center. So I've been staying here for a couple of days and today I had a bit of a mishap. I had a bit of a situation and I'm currently on a mission. This morning, a bit of context for you. This morning my phone flew from my hands and smashed on the ground. Not the first time this has happened in my life. In fact, with this exact particular phone, it's the 3rd time it's happened. One could say that I should take better care of my phone, and that would be correct. Salam. But that didn't stop me from smashing my phone today. So here we are, wandering through the Medina. This place is really just wild, and I'm quite lost without the use of my phone. So, passing some other tourists. I don't know if you can see, but this is what my screen looks like currently. This is the level of screen function that I currently possess, which is not useful at all. So the idea is to go on a mission across town. I have an address scrawled on a scrap of paper by a local. I managed to communicate with a series of hand gestures and furious pointing that my phone was broken and I needed to get a replacement screen. And I have an address scrawled on a piece of paper, which hopefully I can get a taxi to. Excuse the bad camera work. This is the address. So, in Arabic. So my plan is to try and find a cheap local taxi to get to this address. Hello, salam. Yes. So yeah, the plan's to find a taxi and go to this address, which is apparently a mall of some description, like where I can get my phone fixed. Let's get a local taxi, let's try not to get extorted, and get this mission underway. Salam. Alright, let's see how we can negotiate this. Yes. Hello.
Hello.
English or Espanol? Nada. Árabe, francés.
Árabe, francés, yeah.
I'm going here.
Yes.
5
minutes.
dirham.
5 dirhams.
Sí.
Yeah.
3 personas. Ajá. To compartir.
Yeah.
Perfecto.
Yeah.
Thank you. Merci.
Florence.
Florence.
Oui.
Florence? 5 dirham.
Oui.
Perfecto. Merci. Vamos. Oh yeah. Salam alaikum.
ويا بخير يلا.
Get some locals in the video. So this is one of the main historic city gates where originally it was the perimeter of the old city, where I think this was also walled. Obviously if there's a gate you'd assume there's a wall surrounding it, but yeah, this structure remains. This is when you really have a disadvantage not speaking any of the local language, because I'd love to talk to this guy next to me, you know, ask him his life story, you know, ask where he's from, how many kids he's got, what he gets up to with his free time, you know, everyday taxi conversations that you might have with a local. But I can't. I got as far as hello and thank you. So yeah, I really need to get to work on that. I gotta get my 5 dirham ready. Let's see if I have the change. 5 dirham. Then on the reverse of my scrap of paper, I've got the return address, so you know, I asked the hostel owner to write it down for me in Arabic. So I'm hoping with this I can get back because I thought naively I could just say Medina and they'll take me to the Medina, but he pointed out to me that the Medina's huge and there's, you know, many different entrances in different neighborhoods. So I need to get back to Recife, which is the specific entrance near to where I'm staying. So this is Newtown. This is Newtown, which is, as the name would suggest, is the new town. This was all built in the last 20, 30, 40 years. Surprisingly, the prices here are actually a lot cheaper. In the Medina, I get fleeced for paying for a juice. They charge me 15, 20 dirham. Yesterday I was here in Newtown and they charged me 8 dirham for a nice fresh orange juice. So I've actually found it a lot more chill here in Newtown. Here we are. We arrive.
Yep.
Ah. Not sure if we're arriving or not, but we're backing up. Old mate knows. Oh yeah.
Yeah, Florence.
Florence.
Yeah.
Inside.
Oui. Florence. Yeah, Florence.
This is Florence.
Speak English.
Yes, I speak English.
Speak Espanol.
Espanol.
Speak Arabic.
No.
No, Arabic.
Arabic. Oh,
Hey.
thank you. Shukran.
Mazala. Ah. Umalizi.
Shukran. Yeah, shukran busy.
Gracias.
Have a good day. Busy. Yeah, I find that a real struggle, the busy. I'm still not saying it right after like a week of trying. Shukran bizef, which is muchas gracias. Thank you very much. So I got 15 dirhams change in my hot little hand, about $1.50, €1.50, and I'm heading into what I think is the mall, or is this phone shop. He pointed out the. I'm not even sure if I'm holding it upside down or not. That's not a good start. I'm pretty sure it's this way. So yeah, the hope is that there's a high quality cell phone store in here where I can get some maximum quality futuristic repairs at a good price, at a bargain cost. And I'm gonna negotiate, because that's what you do. I don't know if I'm a good negotiator. I say I am, but then I generally accept the first price, so I guess that means by definition I'm not a great negotiator. But hey, it's a work in progress. So there's a lot of stores in here. This seems promising. So I think the play is to get a couple of different prices and then play them off against each other. This is my bargaining tactic. I'm going to do a quick round robin. Assalamu alaikum. So we'll start with this one, eh? Salam. Do you speak English or Spanish?
No.
I can show you. With the power of sign language. This is my phone.
Oh, c'est official.
Yeah, la pantalla.
La pantalla, oui.
Oui, oui.
Oh,
11 Pro Max.
oui.
Get that wide angle shot set up.
C'est YouTube.
Yeah. Maybe, we'll see. Tal vez.
Oui. Goeie zelle. Official deel 11 Pro Max.
Yeah, but original.
No. High copy.
I think copy more like
Okay, copy.
500. More like 500.
2 copy. GX.
GX.
GX de original. High copy c'est original. Como te llamas?
Caleb.
Caleb. C'est mon nom est Aichi.
iChip?
Oui.
iChip.
C'est Aichi Maroc.
Mucho gusto. Enchanté.
Outro pays? Outro pays?
Mi país?
Oui, de pays.
De Nueva Zelanda.
Oui, c'est
New Zealand.
Seria Venezuela.
Venezuela?
Ok.
No, pero no hablas español, loco.
Lo
Ah,
Aragona.
tus papás.
No, no pasa.
No, pero tus padres.
Seus padres.
Tu papá
Oui.
de Venezuela.
Venezuela.
Mira. El loco es de Venezuela. Uy, para, español. Para. No, árabe no. Árabe no.
Ah, c'est pas espagnol, oui.
Creo que la copia, la pantalla, la otra pantalla sería más barata.
اوكي.
Sí, ¿verdad?
ولكن الشاشة التي تريدها أنت أوريجينال تفعل 1500 درهم.
Uy, no.
iCloud.
Para.
C'est bien, iCloud.
Sí,
سي لا افيش الاوريجينال iCloud.
iCloud.
شي تليفون iCloud.
No.
مونتاج كلشي دابا هنا 20 دقيقة. إذا تريد أن أفعل لك هذه الشاشة التي قلت لك 20 دقيقة تكون واجبة.
A few moments later.
You guys all have the price. You guys have screens? No. Only aquí. Okay. Cool. Aquí. Selfie. Tranquilo. Es aquí. Solo a mí. No problem. A ver.
Official.
Ya. Ese es el problema. Que quiero la original, ¿sabes? Español, sí, señor. 11 Pro Max. Oui. Official. No quiero copia.
Stopping video and
¿Sí?
stopping and
I won't
video.
point it at you, only me. Así.
Okay.
It's my mission hoy.
It's all.
It's my mission.
Original or original?
Original. He has?
Yeah.
Ah, thank you. Shukran. I don't like being filmed. Keeping the screen. Hello. Keeping it down on me.
Yes.
No one likes the video.
You want some time, my friend? You want some time?
Somewhat.
هكذا
I'm looking for to replace my screen. Once Pro Max. Hello. Salam. Yes. English? Yeah, I'm making a video of my mission. Mi misión. Solo show. Mira. Tú no. Si no quieres, está bien.
Go, my friend.
Okay, we go. I'll turn off the camera. We're going to sit in the waiting lounge. Oh yeah.
My friend, Man City or Manchester United?
Manchester United.
Yeah.
Do you like it? Yeah?
المرابط.
I'm not a fan, but yeah. New Zealand, Nouvelle-Zélande. You know?
Come here. Zelanda.
Nueva Zelanda en español, sí señor. Uy, perdón. Permiso. Uy. I'll turn my camera around. I'm gonna point it at my legs. Everyone's stressed about being in the shot, you know, so point it.
Vloggers.
Yeah. I'm making a vlog trying to fix my phone. Ah, difícil.
You are still YouTube.
Yeah. Yes.
Name.
My name?
Name the YouTube.
Keen Dreams.
Game Dreams.
Keen Dreams. He wants to check my YouTube now. After telling me I couldn't film, now he wants to be a fan, eh? Now he wants to follow me. Original. A ver. Ah, mira. Ajá.
Avec 1000 dirhams.
1000.
1000 dirhams.
1000. Está bien.
C'est bon.
1000, c'est bon.
100 dirhams pour le montage. 100 dirhams le montage.
Para verificar. Para checar.
Regarde, 1100 dirhams.
He's looking for my YouTube channel. ¿Dónde está? Para Keen Dreams. No aparece la concha de la lora. Ese. Sí, soy yo. Mi nombre es Caleb. ¿Cómo es tu nombre? Maestro. Ay. ¿Cómo es tu nombre? Caleb.
name Usama. Muhiddi.
Muhiddi.
No.
Mo.
Dil.
Dil.
على
Muhiddi.
Yeah.
Exactly, más o menos.
Exactly.
Muhiddi.
You habla español.
Hablo español e inglés.
Habla español en inglés.
Francés, muy mal. Árabe, cero. Enchanté. Sí. Oh, he's repairing it now. He's doing it now. Hello. Oh, we managed to drop the price from 2,000 to 1,100, just like that. It's the Moroccan way, eh? Yeah, you gotta negotiate. Yeah. But is he doing it now? Is he doing it right now? Ahora? And what about the back part as well? The back? Or solo la pantalla?
Les deux, complet, قولوا هذه complet, original, 2000 dirhams.
No, bro.
2000. Ça c'est complet. Complet, le téléphone.
With everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, with
It's
everything.
too much.
كارت مير نقولوا نزلوا كارت مير هذه نديروها لك هنايا.
Give me 1,300.
اللي قال لك
for the back
1100
too.
ساعه ماشي هي هذه قولها له
1,000. Give me 1,300. 1,300. From the dos más.
احنا شارينها احنا شارينها ب 1300.
1,300.
Yeah, he buy this one with 1,300 already.
Ah. Okay.
قولوا اللي بغى هذيك احلى من هو قول له قال لك من سيارة ضيف وكذا. 1800.
He said, you now you guest and you come in and you like friends.
Oh.
It's the last price just to come next time to come to the shop.
Okay.
He give you 1,800.
Oh. I don't have enough money. I don't have enough. But it's okay. Yeah, I'm too poor. That's all I have.
نسعوا معاه بشي 100 نقولوا له من 7 هاي 1700.
He said he take a little bit less,
That's a lot,
1,700.
Oh, I don't think I have enough. Yeah. I think 1,500 was. Yeah. I'm sorry. But at least the screen
Yeah.
is good.
Yeah.
It's just because the back as well. Like, look,
problem.
the back is smashed as well.
Is your phone?
Yeah, it's mine. Yeah.
What happened?
I was excited about my breakfast and I came running down the stairs and it fell smashed on the ground.
Yeah, always you have to do like.
Well, I have the look. Yeah. But this screen, I got it fixed in Cuba in January. The same thing happened, and they didn't put it in properly. So it was, you see, it's sticking out a little bit. So it was a little bit raised, and so because of that, I think it hit the ground and smashed.
Now he fixed it for you, or you buy different one?
No, I want the original.
Original screen.
Yeah, original screen.
Original back.
Yeah, exactly. Is there coffee?
Just next door.
Do you want coffee?
No, I'm drink two already. Two espresso.
Coffee? You want coffee?
Shop Kewa.
No?
You don't like coffee.
You don't like coffee?
His father will love coffee.
His father loves coffee. Maybe his dad wants a coffee to say thank you for the price.
Fine.
I can get him a coffee.
No, when he's coming.
Okay, I'll offer him a coffee.
I don't care if I hold them at him as well.
Ooh. Yeah. Musique locale. Crank it, bro. Check it out. Putting on some local beats. So yeah, the job I got done in Cuba wasn't too good, and they stuck on all the glue randomly, and this guy's trying to take it off. Sorry, bro. I'm honestly so sleepy. After this, I'm going straight to get a coffee. That is my mission. How's she looking? Good? Aha. You have to... It's a process, eh? Opa. Muy bien. Crack. Ajá. El pegamiento. Ajá. I have to go and get... Tengo que sacar efectivo. ¿Hay un cajero?
La banque.
Ajá.
Ok, les deux,
Banque?
Inch'Allah.
Ah, va. Después.
Good.
Good. Two pros here. Got it sorted. Yeah, boy. Nice. I'm happy. Shukran bizif.
مرحبا. Regarde le compte.
Ah, mira. You did Thai boxing or normal
Thai
boxing?
boxing,
Thai boxing.
kickboxing,
Mira,
la boxe. Combien le Maroc? Pour le Maroc,
me gusta.
5 jours,
¿Cómo es un mes?
un mois.
Un mois. Un mois.
Bienvenue.
Ajá. Inshallah.
إن شاء الله. مرحبا بك في المغرب. Le Maroc, مرحبا بك. Tu veux, viens. Abdel, je m'appelle Abdel.
Abdel,
Abdel Ilah.
Caleb.
Quoi?
Caleb.
Caleb.
Enchanté.
Enchanté, merci.
These guys are doing a great job. Very happy. He's got his son doing it. And what's your son's name?
Yahya.
His name? Yahya.
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 Shukran Yahya. Maestro. So now I got a brand new screen and a brand new back. Both just smashed. Couple of little screws. I'll need to get another. This one very bad. Very, very shit. The father and son team.
Screen.
Oh, he's run off, but I think we're nearly done. Very pleased. Muy bien. Anti-shock. Okay.
Cadeau, anti-choc, c'est cadeau pour moi. Ok?
Quanto?
Pas de cadeau.
Cadeau. Non.
Non.
Non. Je ne comprends pas. Perdón.
À la téléphone, à la téléphone.
A ver, Google.
Ah, c'est moi, je n'ai cadeau. L'anglais. Cadeau.
Cadeau.
Présent.
Ah.
Yeah. Les deux.
Seguro?
Ouais.
Oh, maestro.
Yeah. Ah, c'est mon
It's a present, it's a gift. A free case. Oh, no puedo creer. Qué lindo.
دير له بعدا
No, está bien, está bien.
شوف دير له هادي دير له هادي
I have another one. Tengo otro.
صح امشي دير
They got their father-son techniques. Uy, es como nuevo. Gracias, pero de la cinta,
Ouais, après 3 heures.
3 horas.
Ouais.
Ah, 3 horas. Pero funciona.
Ok.
Ok.
Viens au café.
Sí, señor.
Viens au café.
We'll go for a coffee. I have 1100. Merci beaucoup. 100 más.
Ok.
Yeah, but I go to the cash.
D'accord.
D'accord.
On y va.
On y va?
On y va.
On y va.
Vamos.
Eso lo voy a dejar. Mira, I have to wait 3 hours for it to dry, but
Et toi, Madrid ou Barcelone?
hoy es mejor que antes, es mejor que nuevo.
Et toi, Madrid ou Barcelone?
No, soy de Nueva Zelanda, Nouvelle-Zélande.
Ouais, ouais, ouais. Mais tu veux Madrid ou Barcelone?
Ah, Barcelona.
Barcelone.
¿Cuál te gusta?
Ouais. Ok, je fais
Boca.
poker.
Bueno.
Ok.
Vamos, jefe. Mission success. All right. And your friend, tu amigo,
Ouais, amigo.
se fue?
Ouais.
Mission success.
You did find
Yeah, I got 1,200 for 1,200 for the original screen, the original back, and a free case.
Okay, they fixed it for you?
Yeah, mate. Look, perfect.
See?
Oh,
Nice.
Oh, nice. They
Yeah,
fixed
yeah.
it well.
Got a big deal.
yeah, I got a good deal.
Yeah, good deal.
Because I met a guy who was friends with the owner since childhood,
Nice.
Oh,
so he got
okay.
the good deals.
It's a good
This is the
case.
boss. He gave me the good price.
Yeah.
I have to get some money out because I don't have enough. See you, boys. Listo. They speak English.
Ouais, explique moi.
Uh-huh.
Moi, je speak en français un peu.
Un peu. Un peu.
غادي اجي معاه
So I think the plan is we're going to get money out and we're going to get a cafe, I think. I'm not 100% sure, but I think I offered the... Aha. All right, I'll get money for you and we have cafe. All right. Yes. Merci beaucoup. Hey, you want?
Yeah.
Aha. Obvio. How many coffees in one day? How many? 1, 2, 3?
café.
Uh-huh.
Non,
No. Zero.
ouais, moi zéro.
No, no. One day. Luni, mardi, dos cafés, tres, un, deux, trois.
Ouais, mais zéro aussi.
Zero. Ah. Alright, I think he's saying he doesn't drink any coffee, but we're going for a coffee, so I'm confused.
Smoking?
No, I don't smoke. You?
Yeah.
Yes?
Et un peu.
But Muay Thai.
Non, après, oui,
Hey.
47 ans, ouais.
Hey.
Après, tu veux à la salle?
Ah.
Tu veux à la salle demain? Inch'Allah.
No.
Ah, après.
We're really failing at communicating, but it's great. We're gonna have a coffee date without speaking any common language. Alright, this is a local spot. So we sit here. Smiling. I'm just gonna see what they have. I'm gonna see what else they have on offer. I might get an orange juice as well. Assalamu alaikum. Ooh. Jus? Oh, you're gonna play? Yeah. Hey. Very cool. I would love to, but he's waiting for me. He's waiting. He's gonna show me he fixed my phone for me, so. Thank you. Enjoy. Permiso. Thank you. Bien? Oui. Solo tengo que pipí. Solo pipí. Así. I left my charger and my battery pack in the shop, so I'm gonna have to go back with the guy. Dejé algo en la tienda, vuelvo contigo. Sí, por la cámara. Shukran. Chao. Uy, buena gente. Vamos a la tienda. With the boss. With the boss, eh? El patrón. El patrón. Is that my Moroccan uncle? I feel so taken care of. I didn't know he was paying, and I ordered water, orange juice and coffee, and then he wouldn't let me pay. And that's after he gave me a price like 800 dirham cheaper than everyone else. So yeah. Moroccan hospitality, eh? Hospitality de Maroc. Aha. Oi. Cool hat, eh? Oh, and here. Salam. Salam alaikum. Salam. Here we are. Thank you for your work. Et bon travail. Merci beaucoup. Mushi mushkil? Meshi mushkil. Meshi mushkil. Muchas gracias. Una foto? Una foto? Va.
Wait minutes.
You want to do a photo with the everyone? Hello. Do you want to take the video? You want to be in the photo? We need the video as well. Wait, I'll put the camera down. Because it's making the video hard. Alright. Nice.
Maroc.
Marruecos está chido.
Wait minutes here.
Gracias, jefe. De nuevo, patrón. I have your number. I have your número.
Et le numéro de téléphone?
Ajá. Sí. Mándame mensaje. Mándame mensaje. A ver. Gracias. Shukran. Good photo.
Yeah, good. It's good.
Hey. Yeah. Mándame mensaje. Inshallah. Okay. Gracias. Goodbye. Shukran bizif. Ciao. Successful mission. Successful mission, repairing the camera. Action, man. I think they're telling me to turn my fucking camera off. But you know what? Mission success. Phone's repaired. Perfect order. I got a Moroccan uncle. He brought me coffee and juice and water. Assalamu alaikum. And yeah, I'm gonna call that a 100% success. So I'm gonna go back to where the guy dropped me off and see if I can find my way back to the Medina with the same taxi. Definitely I was lucky that this guy I talked to was the childhood friend of the boss, and then this guy said to the boss, you know, give him a good price. But yeah, I'm pretty pleased with how that went, to be honest. I'm quite content. So I'm not sure if I actually still have the scrap of paper that has my destination written on it, because that's kind of important. The entrance to the Medina. Aha, yes. I have my scrap of paper, so everything is fine. With this little piece of paper, I'm trying to unroll it with one hand because I'm holding the GoPro. Going to Recife. So let's see if we can find a taxi that will take us there for 5 dirham. I have to say, Newtown's really nice. Like, it's a lot more chill than the Medina where I've been staying. Recife, Medina. Hay espacio. La próxima. Hello.
Hola.
¿Hablas español?
Sí.
Ah, voy para la Medina, pero quiero compartir. Esos 5 dirham.
5 dirham, una persona.
Sí, exactamente.
Sí, vale, espérate.
Va, no hay prisa.
Otra persona. No
Dale, dale. Gracias.
Muy bien. Vale, vámonos.
¿Vamos?
Vamos, sí.
Va. Hello. There's no driver in this car. Assalamu alaikum. Oi, this side. Come in, come in. There's another guy trying to get in. Salam, salam.
Salam alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Guten Tag.
Guten Tag. Deutsch. Sprichst du Deutsch? Ah, ein bisschen. Ich auch. Oh, good food. Now time for a siesta. Adiós, amigo.
¿Comer bien?
Sí, súper bien, gracias. Muy buena recomendación, la verdad. Okay, now I gotta find the hostel. I think if I follow this guy, he knows. He knows the way. Where are we going? ¿A dónde vamos? ¿Por ahí? No lo sé, Rick. Creo que es por ahí. Moroccan Dream. Vamos a Moroccan Dream. I'm gonna take a left and do a little detour because I'm too ashamed to like end the video right in front of all the foreigners in front of my hostel. So I'm gonna do a little circuit, go around a side street. Oh, wow, that's a lot of sandals. Assalamu alaikum.
Emilio.
Huh?
Emilio.
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 Emilio, ¿quién es eso? Emilio. Es un local. Mucho gusto. Shukran. Ciao. Emilio. I guess that's my name now. Emilio. Hola. Hola. Okay, before I get lost, you know what? I'm gonna get a little bit lost. I don't give a fuck. Salam. And to see what's up here. But yeah, it's been a good day. It took me approximately 3 hours to... Took me approximately 3 hours to sort the dilemma of the broken phone. And along the way I met some nice people. I had some nice food. I had the boss of the phone shop buy me coffee and orange juice. And yeah, all in all, happy with the outcome. And now I'm really getting lost in the alleyways. Look at this one. I don't know if you can see, but it goes right up. Let's see what's up there, eh? Oh, this is like live action. Hope you guys enjoy this, because just when I think it's done. Oh, okay. That was too much cardio. Assalamu alaikum. Oh yeah, it's running. She thinks I'm a fat cunt. I should spend more time running up little alleyways. Because it's exposed to me my lack of cardio. Where does that go? Hello. I'm still panting. So many cats here. Cerrada. Okay. I'm going back. I'm going back.
Bring back?
I'm going back. Estoy volviendo.
Is Medina, yes?
Sí, dando vueltas.
GPS is crazy.
Es crazy.
GPS de Medina is crazy.
Es muy crazy.
Yes.
Sí, la verdad. ¿Van para allá?
No. Cerrado.
Cerrado también. Ah, no, cerrado, sí.
Come on. No problem.
No, está bien. Por ahí.
Por ahí.
Está abierto.
Todo recto.
Sí, gracias. Chao, chao.
Where you from?
New Zealand.
Good people.
Good people.
Sí.
I think so. Ustedes también. Son muy buena gente. Es muy buena gente, la verdad. Well, I got to a dead end, so guess we'll go back.
Hola.
Hello.
Where you from?
New Zealand. Sí, todo bien? Yes.
And welcome to Morocco.
Thank you, sir. I feel very welcome.
No problem.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Good night.
Good night and good day to you, sir. See that friendly hospitality? Well, you know what? I'm gonna permiso. Hey! He said, "Wala motherfuck." Well, that was maybe deserved because he just cut it on my video. Yeah. Anyway, ending the video now. So thanks for watching. Thanks for coming on this little mission to repair my phone. All in all, successful. Hola de nuevo. Terminando el video. Sí, señor. Yeah, thanks for coming along. And yeah, mission success, eh? All good. Have a good day. Catch you next time. Bye.